My name is Jennifer Kuhrt, and I'm one of the older sisters of Christopher Kuhrt, my younger brother, who sadly passed away in a state-operated group home facility back in December of 2019. My brother had some developmental disabilities and several other diagnoses that required him to have protective oversight while he was in the group home. So part of his plan was that while he was sleeping, he needed to be checked on every 30 minutes to assure that his well-being was being taken care of. And sadly, what happened on that evening was that the staff who was looking after him were documenting that they were doing those what's called signs of life checks every 30 minutes. But they in fact hadn't done them. And so my brother was found deceased after choking on his own vomit. And it has come to light over the course of our looking into this that he was deceased for anywhere between 10 and 12 hours before anyone even noticed that he had passed away. And aside from that, the state really polices itself when it comes to abuse and neglect. So they get to decide what the consequences are for their own entity. The state has what's called the Justice Center, and the Justice Center investigates anytime there is allegations like this of abuse and neglect. And it really is a conflict of interest because the state is not going to be compelled to close down their facilities, and they're not going to be compelled to fire their staff, particularly if there are staffing shortages, which is something that we've heard about during my brother's case as well. So clearly more needs to be done, more needs to be in place to offer this vulnerable population more protective oversight, which is, in my opinion, clearly lacking.